What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Stellar Lumens because I think the price will go near vertical, if not completely vertical. I mean, this is cryptocurrency. But before we get started, make sure that you hit the like button and share this video with your friends, as well as commenting down below. I really appreciate everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. Like I said yesterday, I reached over 35,000 subscribers, and that's pretty awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I made a video recently about Stellar Lumens, and I was comparing it to Dogecoin because they actually have very similar market structure. And I also mentioned XRP and how it would go vertical. XRP went vertical and started its breakout, and right now is actually finding support and getting ready to push higher, but Stellar Lumens is actually priming for the breakout and the vertical move. So I figured that it was important for me to make an update about Stellar Lumens today because I see a lot of potential in the short term as well as the long term with Stellar Lumens. As you guys know, Stellar as a project has a lot of really big partnerships, but also, as you guys know, I really don't trade based on fundamentals. I trade based on technical analysis, volume profiles, market cycles, L8 wave theory, and when it comes to Stellar Lumens, all of those things are lining up perfectly as we speak. So I think the Stellar Lumens will see 100%, 200% move. It'll go vertical in price, and that will be very profitable. So one of the things that I'd like to point out when it comes to the cryptocurrency space, we have a lot of different projects, and if you layer the two charts together, you can actually find projects that are leading. And when a project is leading and then you find a similar pattern in another chart, it's very likely that the other chart follows behind what that chart did. And when it comes to Stellar Lumens, that's actually what I'm seeing. If you take Dogecoin and layer it just below Stellar Lumens and you look at the consolidation pattern that they're seeing, Stellar Lumens just barely broke out and is getting ready to break its horizontal resistance level and really go parabolic. So it's super useful to find the coins that are leading and then put your money in those coins, because you can make 200%, 100% on Dogecoin, and then you can take all your profits and then you can put it over to Stellar Lumens and then you can ride that one. And so there's a lot of opportunity with finding leading coins inside of the market for profit. And that's kind of why I think Stellar Lumens is going to take off here in the next little while, is because I see a very strong volume profile, I see very good L8 wave theory, and I see a fractal that looks almost identical to Dogecoin. Now, I know that Dogecoin was pumped by a specific group. You guys, you have to remember that it doesn't really matter. If there's volume coming into something, who cares if a group pumped it? Who cares what's happening? The only thing that really matters is that there's buyer's interest. And if the buyer's interest is increasing as well as breaking major horizontal levels, you can bet your butt it's going to break out and that we're going to see a huge move on the upside. Stellar Lumens as a project was one of the most profitable trades that I have ever made. It is also the trade I've mentioned a few times how one of my VIP members has made 2.6 million off a single trade. That was because of my Stellar Lumens call. And I think that it's going to do it again. Market cycle analysis and the big picture shows a huge retracement with the beginning of a new bullish cycle with a lot of volume, even more volume than we saw in 2017 and even in 2018. And when you see that kind of big picture market cycle structure that's suggesting that we break new all-time highs in the same way that Bitcoin did, in the same way that Dogecoin did, in the same way that Ethereum is doing as we speak, in the same way that Uniswap did, all of these coins are breaking their all-time highs. That's because we're in the public phase of the market. There's so much institutional money coming in. There's so much public interest. It is absolutely ridiculous how many messages I get, whether it's on my Facebook account, whether it's on my Twitter account, whether it's on my TradingView account, whether it's in my Discord. It's actually overwhelming sometimes how many messages and people are interested in cryptocurrency and looking for information. With that being said, you guys, the interest inside of the cryptocurrency space is just going parabolic with the price. And that makes total sense. But there's way more people getting into it now than when I was getting into it, and it's super fun to see that. So yes, you guys, I think the Stellar Lumens will be one of the next coins to break out, and I'm really excited to see that kind of price action as we move forward. I really appreciate you guys tuning in today's little update. I know it's been a little bit of a vlog for the past couple days, traveling, working on music right now inside of the studio. So huge shout out to my friend Josh Fletcher. I'll put links to his YouTube channel in the description below. Me and him have been working on a lot of music projects together lately, and I'm really excited about what we've been doing. So make sure you guys go subscribe to him as well, and go check out Stellar Lumens. Go look at the chart. None of this is financial advice, you guys, but go look at the chart, make a decision for yourself, and just see if it looks anything like Dogecoin before it pumped. And I think that you'll find that it looks very, very similar to Dogecoin before it pumped. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you guys comment down below if you have any questions, or really if you just want to support the channel. I love and appreciate you guys, and as always, stay profitable out there.